Would you like to earn $45 per hour by captioning videos at home? What's up everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, how you can earn $45 or even more per hour by captioning videos at home. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn $45 or even more per hour by captioning videos at home. Now keep in mind that you probably won't get rich with this kind of opportunities, so if you're interested in building a real online business and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can earn $45 or even more per hour by captioning videos. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on anything at all on how you can make money by captioning videos then. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, let me show you quick here if you don't have the idea on closed captions and how it works. This is a video of mine, so basically if I turn this off you can see when I play here. This video, I'm going to show you how to make money editing videos, even if you're totally new. All you have to do... Okay, so these are the closed captions, and there is a lot of people, not only for YouTube, but there is for TV shows and so on, where they actually want to have closed captions, of course. So that is exactly, you can see it's really easy to do. You just need a pair of headsets to be able to listen and just type. Very, very easy job to get started with, to be honest. Alright, so let me show you where you are going to sign up. It is actually rev.com, and this is how it looks when we arrive. Now, you can see here that you can actually make money with more by not only captions, but you can actually do transcription. And if you actually know a few languages more, then you can definitely do some foreign subtitles here also. You can see it is trusted by 100,000 plus customers. So it is one of the most popular caption sites, I would say, and transcription sites online. Now what we are interested in, let me scroll down at the bottom here, is go to the section where it says freelancers. And you can see here you can apply now to become a transcriptionist, captioner, subtitler or translator. If you can, so apply actually for everything, because if they are satisfied with one kind of job, they will definitely hire you for more than one job here. So let's say that we want to be a captioner then, so we open it in a new tab. You can see here, want to make money while working on classic TV shows, modern movies, educational videos and more. Rev.com is the best place to find freelance work online. Our new caption service has a ton of content by top tier video producers. We're looking to add captioners to our freelance Rever caption team. Apply, be accepted and start earning in under 48 hours. So it goes really fast there, okay? And as I said, type what you hear, high quality audio content is fun and educational. So we can see here that you can earn 45 up to 75 cents per video minute. You get paid weekly via PayPal, which is definitely awesome. Average monthly earnings $240 and top monthly is $1,570. So as I said, definitely not to be rich on, but also very good, I would say, to get some extra money. Now if I bring up the calculator here, let me just fire up calculator. There you go. So 75 cents, and if we take 60, that will make $45, okay? So that is the $45 per hour. You can work from home, of course, or wherever you want. Everything is done online, which is really nice. Flexible hours, you can work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. That is also very good. So if you're not at home, you can actually do this. Let's say you are out for a trip or somewhere. Choose freely, choose which project you want to work on. If for some reason you don't want to take up on some specific project, you can just deny it. So that is really nice. And all you need is a computer, headset, broadband internet, and strong English skills, of course. So if I go back a little bit here to the freelance section, you can see here is the captioner, and you can see as a transcriptionist you can actually make 36 up to 65 cents per audio minute, which is still very good, okay? I think it will be somewhere around $30 per hour, so it's not bad at all. You can apply for a subtitler, will definitely make much more because they pay you $1.50 up to $3 per video minute. And then we have the translator, which is less, which is 5 cents up to 7 cents per word. So rev.com, definitely a good site. Now, as I always say, you can't just sit and rely and wait for a Rev to send you some jobs there. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for more sites. And the second site that is up here is actually Fiverr. So Fiverr.com, very easy to sign up for. I just typed closed captions here, and you can see I will create closed captions here, subtitles. This guy has 229 gigs. This guy has 314. So definitely they have made some money. Oh, look at this, 579. So if I open this in a new tab here, here's the thing. This is in euros, so this is $5 that's what it says, Fiverr. This is around $5, and this is actually for 10 minutes. Now for 60 minutes, this guy charges 55 euros, which is around $60. So there you have it. Instead of 45, you can actually make up to $60, okay? So that is what I was referring to earlier when I said that you can make more money. There is also another one here. I will add closed captions to your video. This guy charges even more. So what you do here, you sell yourself a bit low until you get it going, and when you when you get some good testimonials on, you can increase the price. So this guy charges actually 65, should be around $75 per hour, which is really awesome. Okay. So there's definitely more sites that you can, of course, sign up to, but I think these two will be definitely a great start. The most important thing is actually that you get started with it, okay? So make sure you take action and sign up for it and give it a shot. Promote it, of course, to get started with this. And as I said in the beginning, keep in mind you won't get rich with these kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making some serious money online, make a full-time income, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. Alright, that's it for today. Now if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet. You'll find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. Both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. So make sure to subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload new videos. And you also find another video recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.